Imagine you're in Serbia and you need to ask something simple like, what is that? Where are you? Asking questions is one of the most useful skills you can learn right from the start. And today, I'll show you the simple formula to ask almost any basic question in Serbian using words like who, what, where, and when. First, a very important note, to build questions correctly, you must know the personal pronouns and their auxiliary verbs like ja, sam, ti, se, and so on. If you're not familiar with them yet, I recommend pausing here and watching my first lesson, which I've linked in the description, then come right back here and continue. Next, you need your toolkit, the Serbian question words. Here are the most common ones. Who, ko, what, šta, where, gde, when, kada or kad, why, zašto, how, kako, how much or how many, koliko, and for yes or no questions, they often use this phrase, da li. Memorize these words. They are the starting point for all your questions. Here is the main trick to forming questions in Serbian. In a normal state, you say ja sam. To ask a question, you flip them. Sam ja. This flip or inversion is the key. The basic formula for a question is question word, auxiliary verb, then pronoun, which is the flip pair. Let's start with the word who, which is ko in Serbian. Now, here's some good news. For this type of question, the word order is very similar to the English one. To ask who am I, you need three pieces. The question word ko for who, the auxiliary verb sam for am, the pronoun ja for I. Put them in order, ko sam ja. Let's do the next one. Who are you, singular? The parts are ko, si, and ti. Put them together, ko, si, ti. Who are you, singular? See the pattern? Let's keep going. Who is he? Ko je on. Who is she? Ko je ona. Who are we? Ko smo mi. Who are you, plural? Ko ste vi. Who are they? Ko su oni. The pattern is always the same. Question word, then the verb, then the pronoun. Now, let's try it with where, which is gde in Serbian. I'll say the English question. Feel free to pause the video and try to say it in Serbian before I give the answer. Ready? Where am I? Gde sam ja? Where are you? Singular. Gde si ti? Where is he? Gde je on? Where are we? Gde smo mi? Where are they? Gde su oni? Great job! It's the same formula, just with a different word at the start. So, let's review. To turn a statement into a question, you do the question flip. Ja sam becomes sam ja. Then, just add your question word like ko or gde at the beginning and you have a full question. This structure is very useful for beginners. You can use it to ask all sort of simple questions like šta je to, what is that? Or gde si ti, where are you? That's the basic formula. Practice this pattern and you'll be able to ask for the information you need in everyday situations.